Say no with style, using negative adverbs to express dislikes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of English adverbs, focusing specifically on negative adverbs. With these powerful tools, you can express your dislikes in a more nuanced and eloquent manner. So, let's dive right in. Negative adverbs are words that can be used to modify or change the meaning of a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even an entire sentence in a negative way. They include words like never, hardly, seldom, rarely, and scarcely. For example, instead of saying, "I don't like spinach," you could say, "I rarely enjoy spinach." Negative adverbs can really jazz up your sentences when used with verbs. For instance, consider the verb like. You can use a negative adverb to express a dislike for something subtly. Instead of saying, "I don't like running," you might say, "I seldom like running." This gives a softer and more nuanced way to express your dislikes. Similarly, negative adverbs can also modify adjectives. If someone asks you if you like very spicy food, instead of responding with a simple no, you can say, "I hardly enjoy spicy food." Here, the adverb hardly is modifying the adjective enjoy. This not only makes your answer more interesting but also provides a clear extent of your dislike. Negative adverbs can be used to modify entire sentences as well, to express a dislike or a negative condition. For example, instead of saying, "I don't like it when it rains during a picnic," you can say, "It rarely pleases me when it rains during a picnic." The negative adverb, rarely, is used to express a general dislike for the situation. So there you have it, folks. By using negative adverbs like never, hardly, seldom, rarely, and scarcely, you can make your English conversations more expressive and nuanced, particularly when sharing your dislikes. Keep practicing with these adverbs, and soon, you'll be a master of expressing your dislikes with style. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.